reason to let you go.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name is ExpertGuy and you're watching how to make your computer run faster, like how to make your Windows 10 run better, or you guys can have better performance on your Windows 10 even if you have a bad computer in 2020. So this works for laptop as well as old processors or stuff like that. So just watch the video till the end so you guys can easily understand the process of making your Windows 10 run faster, or you're making your computer giving your performance much better. So I'm making this video in a hurry as well because my schedule was messed up. You guys know I always have a proper schedule on the channel, and literally I was out on holidays, I was out of city for some days, and due to that my schedule got messed up. I'm right away, I just came back today like an hour ago, and I'm making this video for y'all because it's been a week and I haven't updated you guys throughout on my social media. So let's try to reach possible of 20 likes on this video for another tutorial video. And I really love when you guys give me ideas, like video ideas, because on the channel it's been 500 videos and I am really low on ideas. So if anything pops up in your mind, then make sure you guys leave a comment down below because it will help you and others as well. So this video was also requested by one of you all, so thank you so much for the idea. So let's get straight into our today's video without further much talking. So first thing is first, if you want to make your computer run faster, you need to open the task manager and then you need to go on startup apps. Now this is the most common thing which a lot of people tell, but still people think that this does not affect anything, but this actually does. Basically the startup impact you see here, which is high, like for example if I say I have Killer Control Center or Logitech gaming framework, like my Logitech software, mouse software, it is high. It means that it is taking a lot, it is affecting my performance of the computer. And if I have a lot of softwares running background all high, it's gonna affect the performance. It's gonna make my performance of CPU run slower and etc. More processes gonna get utilized, and yeah, so stuff like that. So one thing you need to do is you need to go and start disabling the apps. Like for example, I have disabled the Epic Games Launcher. Even if it does not take the startup impact high, just disable all those freaking softwares which you think are unnecessary and you don't want to open them. When your computer just opens, you don't want to open these software, you don't want these softwares to pop up all of a sudden, so they can increase your performance. And this really has a good impact on your PC performance if you do that, and even on your Windows 10. So first thing is this. Now our next thing, we are gonna go to our run. We are gonna open run, and then you're gonna type here temp, temp. Now delete all the files which you have here. Okay, delete all these files here first, just like that. You're gonna delete just like that all these files. Okay, even if some does not delete, just leave it. Even this is like 0 byte, but delete all the files here. Then write on the run again percentage temp percentage and click enter. Now delete all the files here as well, just like that. Continue, delete it. And what this does is basically it's gonna increase your performance on your Windows 10. This deletes all the temporary files which are left over on your computer for a while and stuff like that, and they are unnecessary. So just delete them. Nothing is gonna happen. It just increase your performance, make your performance of computer much more faster. Now next thing, we are gonna go to power settings, power and sleep settings. Now what you need to do is click on additional power settings, and then balance, change plan settings, and then change advanced power settings. Now from here you're gonna go down until you see processor power management. You're gonna see two things here: minimum processor state and the maximum processor state. Now minimum processor state must be equal to 5, or even it can be equal to 0. Okay, it does not matter, but I recommend putting it to 5. It is much better. And the maximum processor state should be 100%. This affects your performance of Windows 10 as well, and mark my words, this is the best settings for this. Click on apply, save, and then click on OK. Now another thing is your storage settings. This is one of the things which lowers your performance of computer. It's Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. It's gonna slow your performance. If you have a lot of files, like your storage device is full, C drive basically, and you have rubbish stuff stored in your drive, you need to delete them, and this is really necessary. Now go to the apps and features, start deleting the files which you think are really not in need and you don't use them. Delete your documents, delete temporary files, just like this. And temporary files is the one of the thing you need to delete. It basically, some temporary files are needed by apps. Below is a list of files you can remove easily. It's gonna tell you save which files you want to remove, which are unnecessary. You can easily remove them. Like for example, it is saying to me 417 MB files. I can remove them right away right now, and these are all the files which are really unnecessary. If you delete, I really have like 16-15 MB of the download file because I moved it to another folder. It was taking a lot of space. So even if you want to delete your download files, like which you have downloaded through the browser, setups or stuff like that, then you need to, because C drive is one of your primary drives, and if it is like full, like if it only has a little bit of space, it's gonna affect your computer performance. Your computer is gonna slow down if you have less storage space, because the Windows 10 thing, the thing about Windows 10 is it really needs update after every 2 or 3 days or so, and it updates automatically. And if you have less storage space, like your Windows update on C drive basically, so if you have less storage space, then it's gonna it's not gonna download the updates correctly, and some are gonna download it, or your updates are gonna get paused, and it is really gonna affect your performance. So you need to have clear space, at least like a freaking blue kind of line, at least 10 to 15 GB free space, so you can easily install updates and your C drive can be free. So these are the things which are really necessary to make your Windows 10 run faster, to boost your computer performance. Thank you so much for watching the video. My name is ExpertGuy, and I see you all in the next one, guys.